What's up, you guys? We're back with Traxxas Max here. Looking to put XL Mama Monster 8S in this baby, but that'll be another video. And we're gonna play around with a whole bunch of electronics on this. But problem here is when I ran this truck, just a test drive, I heard a noise. Listen to this. Now you heard that. Usually that's the sound of something's is being disturbed. It could be the shaft, the bottom shaft in the bottom could be wobbly. Brrr. That could have been the sound, but the speed wasn't all that. We only did 49 miles per hour. But what we're gonna do is we're still gonna take it apart. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove all these screws in the bottom, and let's observe this guy. So let's bring our camera and the light closer. So we're gonna take off this bottom little skid plate. And right underneath here, we should be able to see our shaft. So there's a whole bunch of bolts here. If I see any signs on that shaft, it's pretty much clear that yes, the shaft is really wobbly. And that will drop your power in the truck. You will lose a lot of power there. We're almost there. I might have to go grab a flat screwdriver to pop this cover open. But make sure you keep your bolts in order, and that way you know where everything goes. But there it is. I don't see any wobble there. This is a pretty strong shaft here, so I don't see any marking here, but I'm not sure what that sound could be. It could be just the tires bouncing, and we do got a little, okay, that's not a problem, that's not a big deal. And that could be just the tires bouncing, so we're gonna leave it as it is. We're gonna put this cover back on, but the key here is you always gotta check your damn RC. If there's a noise and doubts, anything that you have, clear it. I had this doubt, but that was just a doubt, and it's gonna stay a doubt. We're gonna put this baby back together, so no need to worry about this little guy. And there's not much we can do anything. So the new XRT comes with and they have that mod for the X-Max. It's a little brace in the center, and that helps out. But anyway, guys, do check your car, and if you have any doubts, you gotta clear them doubts. You never know what could go wrong down there, and you don't want to kill your machine just because you forgot to overlook something and observe something. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you guys have an idea what that noise is, just let me know. And that's it. So the shaft is pretty good down here.